Measures 9, 10, and 11, starting with the right hand. So your two finger is going to play this little baby note, also known as a grace note. So it's a short note that adds a smushy attack to the first note, like this. So you're going from the two finger to the three finger, from F sharp to G, just like that. Then you're going to play two Gs with the three finger, four Bs with the five finger, and then two more Gs and two more Bs, and then G, F sharp, E, with the 3, 2, and 1. All that together sounds like this. And now we're going to do the left hand. So your 1 is going to be on the E, and your 4 is going to be on a B. We've got half notes here. B2, B2, and then A with the 5, and B with the 2, back to B with the 4, and E with the 1. And if we put all of that jam together, we have got this.